I'm wearing an off-the-shoulder top. No, I'm not naked, so yeah. For today's video, I'm going to be doing like this really nice, glowy, almost model-esque makeup tutorial. Also, everything in this video is going to be drugstore, so yeah. So for primer, I'm going to go into this Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Smooth Primer. And then after that, I'm going to go in with this Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer. This is the dupe for that really shimmery Becca primer, so yeah. I feel like you guys are really far. Should I zoom you in? Now I really look naked, my god. Should I change my shirt? It's fine, it's fine. Like, maybe I'll just do that. Now that I am glowing like a disco ball, now I'm going to go in with this CoverGirl Clean Matte Foundation. I am in the shade 510 Fair. So I'm just going to apply that. Then for concealer, I'm going to go in with this ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'm in the shade Fair 02. And I'm just going to apply this under my eyes and just anywhere to highlight, and on my lid as a primer, and because I have discoloration there. But I don't really know what to talk about. I feel like I have a lot of video ideas, but I don't know, I kind of want to hear like your guys' video ideas, so comment down below if you have any video ideas. Okay, so before I set my face, I am going to put a lot of cream cheek products on. So we're just going to hold off on that. I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Bronzer, and I'm just going to take that on this little stippling brush and just apply it where I would bronze. So like the forehead, temples, like where I would normally contour. Then for blush, I'm just going to go into this e.l.f. multitasking stick in the shade Glistening Peach. And I'm just going to swipe that on my cheeks and then blend it out with my finger. Then for highlight, I'm going to go into this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Hello Halo Liquid Highlighter. This is in the shade Halo Goodbye. And I'm just going to put little dots where I would highlight. And then I'm just going to go in with that same sponge and just blend it out. Then I'm going to go into the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette in Dulce de Leche. I'm just going to take this side on a powder brush and just set my under eye with that. Then because the blush is like kind of only sticking here, not here, I'm going to go into this L'Oreal Paradise Peach Blush in the shade Bashful, and I'm just going to apply that to my cheek. And then I'm also going to apply a little to my nose just because I like that look. And then I'm going to go back into that contour palette, and I'm just going to use the contour shade to contour my nose a little bit. Then for eyebrows, I'm just going to apply this AOA Go Brow in the shade Taupe. I got this off of Shop Miss A for only $1. And I'm just going to apply that to my eyebrows and just brush them up. Then for eyeshadow, I'm just going to go into the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and Ring the Alarm. And I'm just going to take the shade Rush right here, and I'm just going to apply that in my crease. Oh my god, this is pigmented. I did not expect this. And then I'm going to take the same shade and just apply that under the eye. First, I'm going to spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And then I'm going to take this Wet n Wild highlighter just because I really love the glow. And I'm taking it in the shade I'm So Lit. This is one of their newer loose highlighters. I'm just going to take some of that, just apply it to my cheeks. like so. I'm going to take a little and apply it to my inner corner. Then I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. Okay, and then I'm going to take this Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara by L'Oreal. I'm just going to apply that to my top and bottom lashes. And then for lips, I'm just going to go into this AOA Studio Diamond Lip Gloss in the shade Posh. I also got this off of Shop Miss A, and it's only $1, and I love it. So I'm just going to apply that to my lips. And that pretty much finishes this look. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And click the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I post a new video. And love you guys. Bye.